Hey guys, this is Shabir Khan, and in this video, I am going to um, talk about my student and and this is an update that how he got his first Clickbank sale in his first week. This sale was worth of $85. So let's get started. Okay, so let me just go to the Clickbank account. This is my student's Clickbank account. I'm going to refresh the screen here so that you know that this is 100% real time. Okay, so there you go. I've just refreshed the screen. Now, if you see here, he got a sale on September 23rd. And if I click this affiliate section, you see someone purchased a $220 worth of product using his link. And I think there were 2 sales that happened and he made $85 in commissions. That's fantastic, right? Now let's see. Let me go to Google Ads and let me show you the campaign here. Now, if you see here, okay, now let me just select the date. So I started this campaign on 20th September. So let me select the date from 20 September to 25th September. I'll click apply. And if you see here, the budget was about $10 per day. Optimization score is 100%, which is fantastic. Of course, he has received 21 clicks, and the average CPC is about $2, and the total cost is $43. You can see one conversion. So $43 is what was spent on ads. And if I go here, you can see $85 sale. So he is 2x into profit. Yep. So that's how it is, guys. And if I just go to the overview section, you can see a quick overview here. Let me just yeah, cool. So this is the quick overview: $43 in ad spend, $2 CPC, 21 clicks, and 1 sale. And hopefully he would be getting more sales in the coming days. But I just wanted to make this quick video to inspire you that yes, getting sales is very much possible if you know what you're doing. And if you don't know what to do, get a mentor. You can send me a message on my Facebook profile if you want my one-on-one coaching for Clickbank and Google Ads or Bing Ads. You can pretty much send me a message on my Facebook profile, and please make sure you type in there that you want my one-on-one coaching. It's not cheap, so keep in mind that there would be a price tag which will not be cheap. But the good news is that it is better than any college education or school education, and any money that you spend on college and school and get no job, right? So if you spend that money in my one-on-one coaching, you are going to get a direction where you will be able to get your initial sales, and you will be able to make money because you're just 1 sale away. Okay. And once you start getting sales, you can rinse and repeat that process and keep getting more and more sales. So that's pretty much it, guys. Send me a message on my Facebook profile, or if you I'll leave the link to my Facebook profile just below this video, and or you can just comment below this video that you want my one-on-one coaching. Okay, but if you send me a message, it would be better for me to get back to you much faster. Okay, so thank you for watching this video. Have a great day ahead. Take care. Bye-bye.